And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this indoor and outdoor thermometer. This is the UN0581 model, indoor and outdoor temperature display, indoor and outdoor humidity display, and weather forecast. Personally, I've always wanted one of these, so I'm very thankful they sent this to me to show you. Nothing really around the box besides their sticker there. In the back just kind of features that same information. It does take regular batteries. It uses 3 AAA batteries for the main unit and 2 AA batteries for the wireless sensor, so you will need to pick up some batteries when you get one of these. Show you what comes in here. Cut the little seal. So we have, that's the outdoor sensor, and then this is the indoor device, and then an instruction manual, and that's it for the box. So a nice instruction manual that'll tell you exactly how to do everything that I won't be showing you in this video because I'm going to set it up and show you what it looks like. Then here is the outdoor thermometer. You're just able to take this, put it outside. Looks like the batteries go right in the front there, the 2 AA batteries, and then this is automatically already set up to talk to this, which here is this that you can hang in your house through the hook, or of course it has a little kickstand where you could set it up if you wanted to. Index, memory, channel buttons, and your 3 AA batteries go in right there. So we're gonna get some batteries inside of these, set this outside, and then show you what the screen looks like on the inside. So we've taken this item, we have our batteries in it, and then I'm just gonna like set it right here in this windowsill, and then on the inside. So with the battery in here, you can see that it is 79.8 degrees indoors. It's apparently 77.9 degrees outdoors, so it's cooler outdoors than it is indoor in our house right now. There's your index, your weather, everything is right there running off of that sensor. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.